Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. In today's video, I will share with you a concern that one of my students has asked about. He is asking about the situation where when he designs, he has already added very detailed annotations, but when he draws the diagram, only the main base sizes appear to have notes, while the other sizes do not have any notes included yet. So he's thinking, maybe the software has some kind of bug, but that's not the case. This is because we have checked a certain feature to annotate different sizes. So I will share this with you in this video. But please subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel, because I know you've watched a lot of videos shared on Dinh Duy Cuong's channel, but you still haven't subscribed yet. So please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. First, you will open up the design section and double-click on this annotation. Now, if you take a look at the very top right here, on this text line, click on the 3 dots for me and remove the Enter Different Text line. Because when you check that, it understands that, what we want is for each individual size to have its own unique set of annotations, and then you click OK Continue. You will click on this text and manually remove the Enter for me. Alright, that looks good. Okay, now save it. You will update this diagram. We will update this diagram. You will update this diagram. Then we will update this diagram. Take a look. Here, the other size already has this annotation section. And so it's not that the software is faulty, it's just that we didn't know about this feature. And if you are interested in the courses at PDS Academy, you can visit the official PDS Academy website and check out the courses offered there. Goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.